2 of these, right?
Yeah, 2. Okay, so you got to take off the can or spray. Sorry. Spray the sides. No, you're good. I get ahead of my 5 sprays. Way in there. Get in there. Yep. Yep. Now there. That way they'll be busy trying to clean each other. Oh, knock it.
Where's the lid for the?
Oh.
Snoop. So just pick it up and give it a smack down.
Oh, there it is. Okay, so give it a knock so you get them down.
Yep. Just find somewhere
good.
you can get your hands in there, hold hard. And give them a good whack down.
Whack down?
Yep.
Yep, slam it down on the thing. There you go. Perfect.
Now start pulling
Now
the can out, back and forth and back and forth. Just kind of back and forth like this. Just kind of wiggle it. Can you do it? It's a little stuck, so it just kind of.
Now shake it down.
Shake it down a little.
There might be some up in there.
Okay, you're good.
All right, set that down. Set your can down on the
Set your can down. Now you're going to pull that queen out. You're going to slide her out and don't let go of her.
Want to just spray inside?
You want to spray inside for a second?
And then lift it.
Yep. Don't twist it. Yep, just like that, and shake it off when you get. Yep. Okay, pull her out. Is she okay? Is she alive?
Yeah, she's moving.
She's moving in there.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you're gonna. There's the tape. Well,
How do I?
here. What you do is you twist. You're gonna twist this up like that.
Usually laying sideways.
For candy things in there too. And then we're gonna put that there and that. Hold on. I'm trying to bend it down. Okay, bend it down. Okay, now tape over that. And just kind of push it tight so we don't lose her. Yep. Now, your pollen paddings are. Oh, one more frame.
Well, do I need to put them in there before?
No. What, the frame?
No.
You want to dump the bees in first.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
You're going to give it another pat down, Snoop, and then you're just going to flip it and start dumping them in. When you dump them in, kind of rock back and forth as you're doing it. You got to get as many as you can.
Should I hit it this?
Yep, whack down once first so they're down. There you go. Now just go to dump them in there hard. There you go, hard. Yep, shake it. Get them push down like you're trying to get the ketchup out of the bottle. Once you get most of them out, you set that thing down.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, just set it.
Yeah, just set
it down so the hole's up.
in the front. Yeah, okay. Now you're gonna put your frame in. You don't want it too close to that side of the queen cage though. Just nice and slow and steady. Yep, there you go. And then you're gonna put the pollen patties on. One there and one on the other side. Oh, that's it. Oh, yep, that's it.
Yeah.
Yep. And now you're gonna put your inner cover on. Yep.
Do you have the blocker for the...
This one doesn't have it. Because it doesn't have the notch. So now you're going to put that on the top and see how it lines up. You have to make sure it lines up in that circle so it doesn't move. And then you're going to pour. Because these are our old ones.
You just need to cut out the
This
circle.
is our.
And then I just dump it in this.
Yep, dump it in there.
Still.
It's okay. Good. And hopefully you're good. And then put the lid back on. Nope. The clear lid for the juice for the water.
Here.
What do you
Now
want?
you're gonna put the cover on.
This or no?
Yep.
Yeah.
Now your lid. That's it. Grab your stuff over there, and now you're super soup.
Just put the can sideways. There's some guys that might be in there.